This week I've been testing the brand new Toyota Landcruiser 300 series with my family, and these are my top 3 family friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is 3 infant secure child seats fit really nicely across this second row of seats in the Landcruiser 300 series. Forward facing and rear facing fit really nicely. If you'd like to learn more about the child seats I've used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 2 is the drive. It's been greatly improved from the previous model. The steering is much lighter and it's much more manoeuvrable. Number 3 is there are aircon vents in the ceiling for both rear rows of passengers, which is fantastic for keeping everybody nice and cool when you're crossing the Simpson Desert. I have loved testing the Toyota Landcruiser 300 series with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.